Hello everyone, welcome to SGR Simple Maths. Today we are going to see partial differential equation type 3, formation of partial differential equation type 3. Suppose f of u comma v is equal to 0, u and v are in terms of x and y, okay. Then if we differentiate partially with respect to x, what we get? Dou f by dou u into dou by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x, okay. If we differentiate partially with respect to x, okay. Then next, if we differentiate f of v comma u comma v is equal to 0 partially with respect to y, then what we get? Dou f by dou u into, instead of x we put here y, okay. That's the difference. Dou u by dou y plus dou by dou z into dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0, okay. Using these two we solve the problem, okay. First sum, f of x square plus y square z minus xy is equal to 0. So we take this as u and this as v. So u is equal to x square plus y square, v is equal to z minus xy. Then we find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, okay. Here also dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, okay. Then what we get? Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x is equal to, that's the differentiation of x square, 2x. Here no x, therefore differentiation of this one is 0. So we no need to write the 0. So dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, dou u by dou y is equal to 2y, dou u by dou z is equal to 0, okay. Then dou v by dou x is equal to minus y, differentiation of this minus xy, minus into, here y is constant, differentiation of x is 1, so minus y into 1, so minus y. Then dou v by dou y is equal to dou v by dou y, here minus x is constant, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1, so minus x. Then dou v by dou z, differentiation of z is 1, here no z, therefore differentiation of this one is 0. So dou v by dou z is equal to 1, okay. Then what is dou f by differentiate with respect to x? That is dou u by dou f by dou u into dou by dou x plus dou by dou z into dou by dou x, this one formula, okay. If we differentiate this, we get differentiate with respect to x, we get this, okay. Then substitute the value. Dou f by dou u into, what is dou by dou x? It is 2x, okay. Then dou by dou z is 0, dou by dou z is 0, and dou z by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x is, what is dou v by dou x? Minus y plus 1 into dou z by dou x is equal to 0, okay. And next dou f by dou u into, this term is 0, so 2x plus dou f by dou v into minus y plus p is equal to 0. We take this as equation 2. Then differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. What's the formula? Dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0, okay. Then substitute the values. Dou f by dou u into 2y plus dou f by dou v into minus x plus q is equal to 0, okay. And eliminating dou f by dou u and dou v by dou v, take the determinant, that is 2x. This one is coefficient of dou f by dou u in second equation, okay, 2x. Then in third equation also coefficient of dou f by dou u 2y, so we put here. Next, coefficient of dou f by dou v in second equation, p minus y, coefficient of dou f by dou v in third equation, q minus x is equal to 0, okay. Then next 2x into q minus x minus 2y into p minus y, cross multiply this, determinant value 2x, this one into this one minus this one to this one, okay. and we multiply this before that divide by 2. What we get? X into q minus x minus y into p minus y. Then we multiply x cube minus x square minus py plus y square is equal to 0. That is y square minus x square is equal to, we take these two terms this side, so py minus x cube. Okay. Second sum, pi of x square plus y square plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So let u is equal to, this one is take, this one u, this one v. U is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, v is equal to x plus y plus z. Then dou u by dou x, differentiation of u with respect to x. So 2x. Dou u by dou y, 2y. Dou u by dou z, 2z. Okay. Here, dou v by dou x 1, dou v by dou y 1, dou v by dou z 1. Okay. Then differentiate with respect to x. So we take this as pi of u comma v, isn't it? Because u is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and v is equal to x plus y plus z. Therefore pi of u comma v is equal to 0. Differentiate this one with respect to x. So what we get? Dou f pi by dou u into dou by dou x plus dou by dou z. This is the formula. Okay. Instead of x, instead of f we put here pi. Okay, because our question is pi of, therefore the formula is dou pi by dou u into, here dou pi by dou v into. Okay, so dou pi by dou u into, what's the value of 2, dou by dou x 2x, dou by dou z 2z plus, into dou z by dou x plus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x is 1, dou v by dou z also 1. Okay, using this, we get this one is equal to 0. Then dou pi by dou u into dou 2x plus, what's dou z by dou x, that is, the value is p, so dou 2 is at p. Similarly dou z by dou y is q. Okay, plus dou f by dou v into 1 plus dou z by dou x, that is also p. Okay, this is you take this as equation 2. Okay, this is equation 2. Then differentiate first one partially with respect to y. What we get, the formula is dou pi by dou u into dou by dou y plus dou by dou z and dou z by dou y plus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Then substitute the values. What we get, dou pi by dou u into 2y plus 2zq plus dou pi by dou v into 1 plus q is equal to 0. Eliminating dou pi by dou u and dou pi by dou v. So taking determinant, that is 2x, that is the coefficient of dou pi by dou u and dou pi by dou v. Okay, 2x plus 2zp, 2y plus 2zp. These two are in the from second equation, these two from third equation. So here p plus 1, q plus 1. Then cross multiply this. The value is 2x plus 2zp into q plus 1 minus of 2y plus 2zq into p plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay. Then we take out 2. Here also we take out 2. Then next divide by 2. So what we get? X plus zp into q plus 1 minus of y plus zq into q plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we multiply this. We get x cube plus x into q, x into 1, zp into q, zp into 1. Similarly here, y into p, y into 1, zq into p, zq into 1. Okay. And next, pqz, here minus pqz, these two get cancelled. What's remaining? Here x cube plus x plus zp minus py minus y minus zq is equal to 0. Okay. Then from this, we take out p. So z minus y into p plus here xq, here minus zq. So x minus z into q. Okay, is equal to, we take this minus y in this opposite side. So y, then plus x is here minus x. Therefore z minus y into p plus x minus z into q is equal to y minus x. Okay. Third sum, pi of z square minus xy comma x by z is equal to 0. And also we take this as u, this is v. Then we find dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. What is dou by dou x minus y, dou by dou y minus x, dou by dou z 2z. Okay. Next, dou v by dou x is 1 by z here. That is 1 by z is constant. Then differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So 1 by z. Okay. And dou by dou y here no y. Therefore 0. Dou v by dou z is, we take this as x into z bar minus 1. So z bar, differentiation of z bar minus 1 is minus z bar minus 2. X is constant. So x into minus x into z bar minus 2, that is minus x into z square. Sorry, minus x by z square. Okay. Here we put this x by z is equal to x into z bar minus 1. Isn't it? So x is constant here. What's the differentiation of z bar minus 1? Minus 1 into z bar minus 1 minus 1. That is x into minus 1 into z bar minus 2. That is minus x into z bar minus 2. So we rewrite this as minus x by z square. Okay. Therefore dou v by dou z is equal to minus x by z square. Okay. Then next, differentiate partially with respect to x. This one, dou pi by dou u into dou by dou x plus dou by dou z into dou z by dou x plus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x equal to 0. Then substitute the values. Dou by dou x is minus y, dou by dou z is, what is dou u by dou z? 2z. Okay. Then what is dou z by dou x? P. Okay. Here also substitute the value. Then differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. What's the formula? This is the formula. Then apply the values. Dou pi by dou u into dou by dou is minus x plus 2z. What is dou z by dou y? That is q. Okay. So dou pi by dou v into minus x by z square into q is equal to 0. We take this as equation 3. Then eliminating dou pi by dou u and dou pi by dou v. These two are the coefficients of dou pi by dou u. These two are dou pi by dou v. Okay. Then cross multiply this. Cross multiply and subtract. So dou 2zp minus y into minus x cube by z square minus of 2z cube minus x into z minus xp by z square. Okay. That is equal to 0. That is, this one is 1 here, 1 by z minus xp by z square. We take the LCM z square, what we get is z minus xp. Okay. So this one is, instead of 1 minus z minus 1 by z minus xp by z square as, we put z minus xp by z square is equal to 0. Then we multiply this. Multiply 2zp into this one. Next minus y into this one. Okay. Next minus 2zq into this one. Then minus 2zq into this one. Okay. Similarly, minus to minus plus. So plus x into z, then plus x into minus xp by z square. Okay. Then here z and z cancel. Here also z square cancel. Here z and z cancel. So what's remaining? Minus 2x p q by z plus x y q by z square minus 2q plus 2x p q by z plus x by z minus x square p by z square is equal to 0. So this one is minus, this one is plus. We cancel this. xyq by z square minus 2q plus x by z minus x square p by z square. So these are remaining. So we write this. is equal to 0. Then we take LCM as z square. So in the numerator, x, y, q minus 2q into here no z square. So we will multiply this by z square. So 2q z square plus here only one z. So we multiply by z, x into z minus x square p by z square is equal to 0. Okay, so xyq minus 2q z square plus xy xz minus x square p is equal to z square into 0, that is 0. Okay, then from these two we take out q. So xy minus 2z square into q plus xz minus x square p is equal to 0. Okay, if you like this video, give thumbs up, share with friends, subscribe the channel. Thank you.